Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the second part on the custom e-bike build. We're moving on to the rear hub motor. As you can see in them time lapses, we've got the prepping down and we've put some silver base coat down. So we're now moving on to the artwork stages. Enjoy the video guys, I'll see you in a bit. The rear hub motor complete. We've done the actual inside mechanism of the hub motor on one side, and then to the other side we've added the textures and the rust effects to match the e-bike. I'll give you a little pan around and a close-up and show you what we've done. So there you go guys, I've put extra bit of light on that for you. So we've got all the copper going round and all the details in the wires, and we've got the rust and the textures to the outside of the rim. But I think that looks really cool. It will blend into the bike and it just makes it a little bit different than looking at a center black piece on the actual hub motor. You're actually seeing the mechanism inside, which looks really trick. I'll pan around and show you the opposite side. There you go, we've added the rust textures to match the bike, all in. So that will just blend into the frame. Wrapped it up for today guys. We've got the internals of the hub motor complete. So this is all finished now on the artwork. I've got the forks and the rear suspension turning up next week, so we can get the artwork done on the forks and then we can clear coat these pieces in one go, and then we can start fitting the frame up and getting it ready. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification. It does help the algorithm and the channel grow guys. Give us a thumbs up and I'll see you lot in the next one. Cheers.